Hello you guys, so today I'm gonna take you on a little adventure with me. We're going to a food truck festival. It is really busy, as you can tell. Luckily we went in the afternoon, so it wasn't so busy, but when we left, the line was wrapped around the mall. We do have other festival coming up, so keep watching this video and I will leave everything down in the description below, and hope you enjoy. Okay guys, we are finally back home. Let's try this one, Tuts. So this is Egyptian street food. I'm so excited to try this. So what I got was the 4 sandwiches plus a side plus a drink. So this is what it looks like. And I love the packaging. So I got the grilled chicken, the grilled beef sausage, the minced beef, and the fried falafel. Ooh, I'm so excited to try this. Okay, let me see. Let's try the fry first. Despite them being not hot, it's okay. It's still good when it's cold. It's like the Cajun fries. It's really good. I'm not sure which one's which, so let me try. Ooh, let me see. Let's try this one. It's so cute. The sandwiches are so small. So now let's try this one out. It smells really good. It's like a minced kebab. It's so good. It's so flavorful. There's so much seasoning on this. The bread is really good. It's really soft and squishy. It has pickles in it. The sauce is like a garlic aioli. It's really good. It has mustard, pickles, cilantro, mint on top. It's really good. So let's try the falafel. I never had a good falafel before, so I'm excited to try this. Wow, that's really good. It's deep fried, it's vegetarian, it has tomato. I think they use the same sauce as the minced beef, which is the garlic aioli, and it has mint leaves and tomato. It's super soft, it's so good. It's a bit on the dry side, but when you eat it with the sauce, it's perfect. Let's try the sausage, beef sausage. I wish it could be a little bit like spicy for all of these. I think if it has some spice to it, it'll be really good. But the beef sausage is really soft. It's really nice with the mustard. And the bread is so soft and the mint is so good. This is the chicken, so let's try it out. Okay, how am I supposed to eat this? This is so messy. The chicken is really tender, super soft. On top they put mayo and some red peppers. Everything goes well together. Oh. There's not a lot of spice in the chicken, but the sauce is what makes it super good. So we are trying the Food Dude's truck. And this is, I'm so excited for this because it's tacos. I love tacos. Oh my god. It's hard to get authentic tacos in Toronto. But what I got is the Birria tacos. Oh my god. There were 2 for $10. And it's basically like a braised pork short ribs with corn tortillas and cheese, onion, cilantro, and jalapenos. And it comes with a beef stew dip and hot sauce. Oh yeah, it's like heavy too. Let's try it. Ooh, dip in the sauce. It's so good. It's so beefy. So much meat in it. The broth is super good. They put a lot of meat in this and the cheese is like melted. The taco is still super crunchy. Let me try with the hot sauce. The hot sauce tastes like tomatillo. It's so good. Oh my god. I would highly suggest this. This is so good. This is what you want in a taco. Super tender. You can tell that they cooked this beef for so long. I would highly recommend them. They're so good. I never liked fish tacos, so this should be interesting. They have cilantro, tomatoes, like sour cream. Let's try it out. It's heavy too. Let's try it out. It smells so good. The fish is so flaky, and the fish, whatever they use on the fish seasoning, it's like a Cajun. Like everything is super fresh. It's still crunchy. It's not soggy at all. These are actually really big fish tacos. They give you a good amount. It's not overcooked at all. This is the perfect fish taco. So this food truck is called Los Vietnamitas. So it's a fusion of Vietnamese and Mexican. Super excited to eat this because they're like the best combination of food. And look how huge this taco is. You can't even see the taco shell. So this is the Saigon fried chicken, voted #1 best dish Taco Fest Toronto in 2019, and it's $12. And this is butter milk fried chicken with Saigon sweet chili, garlic crema, and creamy slaw. This is huge. Look how huge this is. This is so huge. And I will list everything down below in the description box of what I ordered. This is definitely one messy taco. It has a little kick to it. You can tell the fried chicken has a little bit of fish sauce in it. It's sweet. It's not soggy at all. And the vegetables are super crunchy. The coleslaw is really good. I highly recommend this. It's super good. It's so messy to eat, but it's so worth it. Like I took 2 bites out of it, I even make a dent. The sauce, it has like a sweet chili sauce. It has cucumbers, like it's basically what you have when you eat like a banh mi sandwich. They give you all the vegetables. It's really good. Now, and I also bought desserts. And look what I got, beignets! Oh my god. The only beignets I had was from Popeyes and it was okay. So this is the real deal. So they're just covered, deep fried dough, and they're just covered in powdered sugar. They did give me some sauce. So it's supposed to be like a ginger chocolate sauce, and this is supposed to be like a spicy strawberry sauce. Try it by itself. Oh yeah, so sugary. The dough is super soft. Let's try with the strawberry. I hope it's not too spicy. It has a little kick to it, but it's not strong at all. The strawberry is a sweet strawberry too. So after, when you get that, you taste the jalapeno right away. You taste the sweet strawberry. It tastes like strawberry jam. Let's try this ginger chocolate, which is kind of interesting because you can't really smell the ginger. You can only smell the chocolate. Okay, let me try. You don't taste the ginger at all. I think it's just, you don't taste the ginger at all. Maybe a slight hint, but you can definitely taste the fudge chocolate, which is super good. Now, who doesn't love beignets? And this is cheesecake on a stick. I'm so excited because I love frozen cheesecake and dipped in chocolate. So I got Ferrero. It's basically chocolate with the candy on top and the candy coating, and with fudge and drizzle of chocolate syrup. And what I got is a strawberry Nutella. So it's dipped with chocolate. So it's dipped with chocolate. It has strawberry toppings and strawberry syrup. So excited to try these because I never really had these before. So I'm excited to try this. Oh my god. Ooh! It's literally cheesecake on a stick. Oh my god. I'm so excited to try this. It smells so good. It's so chocolatey. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so good. When you bite into the cheesecake, it's frozen, super cold, and then with the drizzle of all the chocolate and the syrup, it just makes this like heavenly. Oh my god. Like, you would think this be too much chocolate. It isn't. It's not enough chocolate. It's so good. And the cheesecake is really light and fluffy. Now I'm excited to try mine. So this strawberry Nutella with milk, I'm pretty sure it's milk chocolate. So, oh my god. So it's gonna fall off. Oh my god, let's try it. Can't go wrong with strawberry and Nutella. It's just so good. When you bite into it, the cream cheese is so soft, and with the strawberry, it's really refreshing. And with the strawberry syrup on top, makes it super good. You can't go wrong with cheesecake. It's just so delicious. The strawberry Nutella is so good. So this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoy these type of videos, and in the future I will do more vlogs. If you guys ever have the time to stop by, please stop by. There's like 4 different locations. I will leave everything in the description box down below, and I'll see you in the next video.